Hello and welcome to Stuff. My name's David Waddell and today we're looking at plants. Now, I love to look after plants, cuidar plantas, because it relaxes me. Yes, I love to garden as well. I enjoy gardening. I enjoy being outside and mowing the lawn, cortando la césped, for example, or just digging up the garden and planting flowers and plants, yes? Today we have 3 plants here. We have some flowers, we also have a bonsai, which is very, very impressive, and we also have lots of implements here to garden with, yeah? For example, here I have some pruning shears, Now, we use pruning shears to prune. So, what does to prune mean? Any idea? To prune. Bien, prune significa podar, yeah? Podar, yeah? To prune. So, to prune would be, just do this, clip a little bit off the top here, just to make it more beautiful, that sort of thing. So, pruning shears, yeah? To prune. Okay, what else do we have here? We also have a trowel or a spade. Now, for me, a spade would be a bit bigger, yeah? A bit bigger. So I would call this a trowel. And we use it, of course, to dig up the garden, to dig the soil, for example. What else do we have here? Let's have a look. We have lots of things. Here, we have some food for the plants. It's abono, which is, any idea what abono is in English? Fertilizer, we say, fertilizer. Abono, fertilizer. So every week, I suggest you put a little bit of fertilizer in your plants and they will look much more green and brilliant and your flowers will be brighter. So we have some fertilizer. Okay, the next thing. We also have behind me here a very, very nice watering can. A watering can, yes? A watering can. Now, what we do, of course, the verb is to water, regar, to water plants, yes? So, do you ever water plants at home? Very good, okay. So, to water, every day I water. Yesterday, I watered, not watered, watered. Because the end of the verb ends in an R sound, so watered. Okay, so we have a watering can, okay? So here we have a watering can. Now also we have back here some tierra, yeah? Now, there are a number of words for tierra, okay? Tierra. But in English, for growing, we use the word soil. So if you can see it here, I'll just get some out for you. There we go, you can see tierra here, soil, we call it soil. Now, we need good soil to grow plants, yes? So, here we have the soil. Okay. Now, what else do we have here? Now, all the plants, you can see, are in what we call plant pots, yeah? Maceta, plant pots. Yes, we have a nice a white plant pot here, which is square in shape. Over here, we have a more traditional round plant pot, yeah, a round plant pot. And in the middle, we have some glass ones. So if I can take one of these out, you can see here, this one is made of glass. And you can actually see in the bottom some water in the bottom of the plant pot there. So plant pot, another word. Good, okay. So now, how do you say semilla in English? Any idea? Very good, seed, a seed. So we have to plant seeds in order to grow plants, yes? There is another verb we use, apart from plant, which is to sow seeds, yeah? What else? Now, the thing that I least like about gardening is weeding. Now, a weed, any idea what a weed is? A weed. Now, a weed is una mala hierba. To weed is also a sustantivo. So you can say a weed, una mala hierba, or to weed, as a verb, which is quitar malas hierbas, yeah? Quitar malas hierbas. And that's, for me, probably my least favorite aspect of gardening. I don't like weeding, but it's necessary because weeds are ugly, yes? So there we have it. We have 3 plants. We have leaves, also the leaf, of course, 1 leaf, 2 leaves, and the stalk, tallo, yeah? And that's all we have time for, really. So I'm going to continue looking after my plants and relaxing because it's the thing that I most like to do. So I will see you next time, and thank you very much for watching, and take care. Bye-bye.